I don't know. I don't know exactly when it started. This feeling that things may not always stay the way they are. It's small, barely noticeable most days, but it's there. I still have moments where doubt gets louder, where the past feels heavier than the future. But lately, I've stopped seeing that as proof that I'm failing. Maybe it just means I'm still trying. Hope doesn't feel like certainty. It doesn't promise anything. It just shows up quietly and says, not yet. And for the first time in a while, that feels like enough. I don't need everything to be okay. I just need to believe that it can be. So I'll take one more step and then another. Not because I'm sure, but because I'm hopeful.